Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If Firefox is repeatedly crashing on launch with application error 0xc0000005, your system is experiencing a memory access violation. I will show you exactly how to repair your system files and resolve this fatal crash right now. Let's get started. First, this specific access violation is frequently caused by corrupted core Windows files interacting poorly with the browser. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type sfc//scannow and press Enter to initiate the built-in System File Checker utility. Restart your computer once the verification process reaches 100% to apply the repairs. Next, a severely damaged Firefox profile directory can immediately trigger this memory access fault during the startup process. Press the Windows key plus R simultaneously to launch the Windows Run dialog box. Type %appdata % into the text field and press Enter to open your user roaming directory. Locate the folder named Mozilla, right-click it, and select Delete to completely clear the corrupted cache. Finally, if the browser still fails, your physical RAM modules may be struggling to properly allocate system memory. Open your Start menu, type Windows Memory Diagnostic, and launch the system utility. Select Restart Now and check for problems to reboot your PC directly into the hardware testing environment. Allow the diagnostic scan to run completely so Windows can identify and bypass any failing memory sectors. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.